Breaking news, Norman Scott has been charged for assault occasioning bodily harm and malicious destruction of property. This is in relation to the St. Elizabeth situation during election day or on election day, where it was alleged that he boxed down a woman, an indoor worker. Commotion was going on outside and the indoor worker came out and attempted to, de-escalate the situation. And I guess her de-escalating the situation, Norman Scott took that as an opportunity to escalate the situation and box down the woman, became bad. And in my previous video, I called him an animal, and whatever charge a regular man would get for assault, he should get the tenfold, because he is a mayor rather. He is given power in our country, and as such should be held to the fullest extent of the law. I had some people in my comment section trying to call me a liar and a manipulator. Well then, my friends, he has been charged. But this is a good day, and not because a PMP person or a JP person has been arrested. It's a good day because I love to see when our leaders are being held accountable. More than likely it will be a slap on the wrist, but yes, our leaders should be held accountable. Because how dare you go on a little power trip in your little head off of the power that people gave to you. But yeah, that's all my thoughts. What are yours? Like, comment, share and follow. And then if you're seeing this video anywhere apart from YouTube, please go over to my YouTube at kthoughts876 and follow me there as well.